Welcome to Android Wear tutorial. Myself Amit Udar. I am software engineer and an internet entrepreneur. We will start from setting up Atmosphere, that is downloading the JDK and installing them. We'll go through a brief introduction of Android Studio by creating a sample project, knowing all of the icon and kind of layouts available for Android Wear app development. Then we will set up Android Wear emulator using AVT Manager, that is we will create smartwatch emulator. Then we will create Hello World app and run it on our Android Wear emulator. We'll pair our devices, that is Android phone and Android Wear emulator using Android Wear app. We will go in brief introduction of Android Wear app. Then we will see in brief the Android Wear app. This kind of notification we can create using Android Wear app. We will build our first application, that is Wear Message API. Type a text message from your Android device and send it. It will be displayed on the paid Android Wear emulator. We'll create another app, that is Stay Awake app, which will keep on vibrating depending upon the interval chosen, that is 1 minute, 2 minutes. It will keep the user awake. We will develop this application too from the scratch and run it on Android Wear. You can download both projects from download section of respective video. Let's begin our journey to ride the next big wave, that is to develop apps for Android Wear.